Hey guys, Bianca here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I am going to be recreating a look I saw on the very beautiful Dewanda Wise. And it's going to be using $2 paper fasteners. Yes, paper fasteners. So for those of you that don't know what those are, here is a picture of them. And I think I remember using these in grade school instead of staples sometimes. I don't know if that just dated me or not, but her hair was styled by celebrity stylist Vernon Francois, and when I saw it on Instagram, I thought it was super different, super cool, and I couldn't wait to try to recreate this look. So I'm excited to get it done, and of course to hear what you guys think. All right, let's get to it. So if you're like me, you're not the best at parting your own hair, but a rat tail comb and a mirror makes it a little bit better. So let's see how these parts are going to turn out. So I'm only going to be doing maybe 8 or so braids, so that should make this go a little quicker. But I usually just part it with my rat tail and check the part in the mirror to just make sure it's not too crazy. Of course, it's not going to be perfect when you're parting it yourself, but that's okay. So after I comb the hair out, I like to apply gel to the section. This just helps to lay the hair down and make the braids look more neat. Now we can start the braid. For me personally, I hate corn rolling my hair. I feel my arms get tired quicker and my fingers start to cramp up. But I do know some people that say they like braiding their own hair more than they like braiding other people's hair. Do you guys agree or disagree? Let me know in the comments. All done. All right, I think we need a quick length check. Okay, I'm feeling it. All right, let's get our paper fasteners. So this box literally comes with 200 paper fasteners, and it was $1.97 at Walmart. So they have a round head, as you can see, and 2 sides that you can kind of maneuver like this. Now the trick is just to make sure it stays in my hair. So this one I just kind of slid in like a bobby pin and bent the top back, and I think it's in there pretty good. Now for these other ones, I found it easiest to open it and kind of close the top around the braid and bend it. So I really don't know what I'm doing as far as design goes. I'm just kind of freestyling here, and we'll see what I come up with. I don't know. I think it looks kind of cool. Let's put the back up into a little ponytail because that's how she had it. Add a couple finishing touches here. Let's get these edges laid, of course. And this is the final look. Let's do a side by side. Did I nail this look? Let me know in the comments. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at bink_YYYYY. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.